So guys, I'm heading to a restaurant now. I'm kind of hungry, but it's not just a restaurant. This is a Plov Center where they are cooking plov, traditional Uzbek dish. And apparently this is humongous. They do up to 2 tons of plov a day. And let's see, like behind the scene here, lots of potatoes. So plov is a dish with it's basically rice and mutton, but they add carrots, onions, and all sorts of things. Join me on this exciting plov journey. Let's see how they do plov here. How to enter? Wow. So that's the kitchen, guys. Oh, look at this. So this is rice with mutton, onions, carrots, all sorts of things. Oh, it's massive. The guy cooking, cutting the lamb here. There's a lot of cooking stations here. This one is nicely cooking as well. You can see the carrots, onions. I think it has some fat as well. Yeah, it cooks in lamb fat. Plov is actually a very Middle Eastern kind of dish and goes under the name of different. Even biryani is similar to this, or Pilaf, another name. I mean, there's plenty of other names. Here they do some. What is this? Bread, some desserts. So this place is packed. I mean, this is the kitchen. Here we have the cashier and lots of places outside where people are eating. Oh, busy place. And then this one is massive. Look at this. Wow. It's huge.
Of course huge.
Huh?
Three
Wow, you can almost swim in here. How much?
3 ton.
3 ton.
Yeah.
Wow. 3 ton of plov. I'm hungry.
I recommend you to eat Pilaf.
Yeah. And bread over there. Let's go and check out the bread here. Here they have a nice oven. Bread here. Here, about to go to the oven. So, I'm excited to go and try this now. Let's find a place where I can sit and eat this. So guys, if you come to Uzbekistan, Tashkent, definitely go to the Plov Center. This is an attraction on its own. Hi. You have to turn. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's huge. I mean, lots of people eating here. Wow. It doesn't stop. It's this side as well. I mean, there must be, I don't know, 1,000 people here. Wow, this is the inside area. Look at this. Good luck finding a spot here. Everyone eating plov here. How cool is this place? It's like a big canteen. So I'm gonna go and eat something. I'm quite hungry now. Let's have some salad first, some bread. It's quite nice. Nice plov. I'm full and I'm on my way out now. This is like a huge factory. If you come here to Uzbekistan, Tashkent, don't miss this place. It's unique and you have to try plov if you haven't. It's a really nice dish and a bit heavy, but it's good. From the Plov Center, thanks for watching. As usual, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Cheerio!